Welcome to the Harvey channel. Today I'll show you how to adjust screen recording quality on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first just open settings, scroll down from the top and press the settings button. Next scroll down until you find the advanced features tab. Then click on screenshots and screen recordings. Then scroll down, and here is your video quality menu. You can select from 1080p, 720p and 480p. Let's pick low, for example. And just like that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Harvey channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.